In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate a draw.io diagram using ChatGPT. Whether you're working on flowcharts, system diagrams, or you simply want to speed up your workflow by letting AI generate your structure for you, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. This trick can save you a ton of time, especially if you create diagrams regularly. First, open ChatGPT and type in your command. For example, you can say something like, draw a flowchart in draw.io and give me plant UML code. Once you run the command, ChatGPT will generate the exact plant UML code needed for your diagram. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, copy all the code ChatGPT gives you. This code is what draw.io will use to automatically build your diagram, so be sure you copy it completely without missing any lines. Once you've copied it, open draw.io in your browser. When the workspace loads, look for the Arrange menu at the top of the screen. Click on Arrange, then hover over Insert, and then go to Advanced. From here, choose Plant UML. You'll see a new window pop up where you can paste the code you copied from ChatGPT. Follow the on-screen instructions, they're very simple and user-friendly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Plant UML code is clean and doesn't contain any formatting errors. Double-check that your diagram type is supported in draw.io. And always paste the code in plain text format to avoid issues. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary frustrations. Once you've completed these steps, just click Insert or Apply depending on the version you're using. After that, you should be able to see your diagram generate automatically right on your canvas. It's also a good idea to resize or reorganize elements if needed to make everything look clean and readable. Taking this extra step ensures your diagram is presentation ready and easy for others to follow. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to automate draw.io diagrams with ChatGPT easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?